So do you remember when we click on this button and then nothing changed on the screen? Let's fix that. Earlier, we wrote something like this. So we created this variable and then we pass the variable to this test, and it's showing here, hello. So we want, in this case, when we click on the button, this function should assign this new test click to this variable test. Anytime we click here, we want to see the test change from hello to click. But when we did that, it wasn't working. So this is because Compose did not notice the change. Compose is unaware of the change that is happening. So Compose will only update the UI when it is watching something. So that thing that it is watching is called state. Let me take it again. Compose will only update the UI when you make it or you ask it to watch a particular thing, and that thing is called state or data. So this variable is an example of data, and then you must ask Compose to track it. So once it tracks it, any changes that happen on the variable or the data or the state will be automatically reflected in the UI. So this does not happen. That's why we are not seeing any change in the UI. So in the next episode, we are going to use something called remember and then mutable state to fix this issue. Like and subscribe to the channel.